Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to solve your problems in your Microsoft Math Solver app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already signed into your Microsoft Math Solver app. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Also, this process is very simple and easy. Now let's get straight into the process. Firstly, you have to open your Microsoft Math Solver app. Here we go. Now at the top you can see the option as scan, draw and type. Firstly, you can type a math problem in this way. And then you have to tap on that arrow on the bottom right corner. Now here you will get the solution for your question. After that also you can use the option draw. In this way you can draw the question in this way. And then you have to wait for a few seconds and then tap on that arrow at the top right corner in this way. Now here you can see the solution steps. Now you can scan the problem in this way. Now you can get the solution for your question. In this way, you can easily solve any of your problem in your Microsoft Math Solver app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.